I think the hard thing about owning your own business is getting exposure is the hardest part. Definitely start online. Social media really helps. It's really hard, but it's something that I think everyone will need to start learning and understanding. That's how everyone communicates now. Hi, my name is Wendy and I'm the owner of Falls Patisserie. I studied at Le Cordon Bleu in 2015, where I studied the Grand Diplôme. Falls Patisserie is my take on the Asian-inspired patisserie. So what we sell is a variety of things that remind me of home, and home for me is Brunei and also Malaysia. One of the things we want our customers to feel when they come here is a sense of nostalgia. And so we can share what we grew up with our customers. We also do high tea sometimes, which is quite fun. I enjoy doing high tea because it allows me to be more creative and play around with different things. And customers get to try a little bit more of everything, which is quite nice. When we did high tea and brasserie, we had to work with other people and try and work as a team. In the real world, definitely teamwork is a big thing. Who you work with definitely helps the end goal of everything. If you don't work with good people, it makes it hard. When you find the right team, it's nice and you can all communicate and bounce off ideas off each other, which really helps. Doing patisserie and cuisine helped because having cuisine, it gave me the basic knowledge of how to incorporate savory items into our shop as well. You might not have a lot, but just understanding the way things were made and how to incorporate it into patisserie has been quite helpful. Studying at Cordon Bleu in person was good because we got the hands-on experience, but we also got to listen to the stories from the chefs of how their experiences were when they were working. And they would always pinpoint things and things that we would need to do, that what we did in class, we also had to remember what it'd be like in the real world. Like always keeping your benches tidy, working a little faster, the time crunches and everything. So they would always be honest, and it really helped push us a little harder what we would need to do when we move on from school. I guess if you're ever interested in finding out a bit more about baking or cuisine or a bit of patisserie, the school does offer short courses, which I find help. It gives you like a dip into the pool of whether this is something you want to do. And then the short courses really help. And if you do enjoy those, then definitely do the longer courses. I personally really enjoyed it, and I felt it really did help build on my confidence in the kitchen, and who I am today is because of the school.